Hello guys, welcome to my channel Ashley. Today we are making multi-layered kachori with ground lamb. Okay, I have 4 cups of flour and I'm going to add 1/4 cup of ghee, desi ghee I'm using. You can use butter, about 2 teaspoons of salt, and then we're gonna mix it. And make sure the ghee and flour are mixed together. Now we are going to make into a dough. Okay, our dough is ready. We used about 1.5 cup of water, warm water, and now we are going to rest it for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll make our ground lamb. All right, I have 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, and then I'm going to add some chopped onions, so around 2 medium chopped onions. Onions are ready. Now we are going to add the ground lamb. So you can use whatever meat you like. If you like the ground chicken, you can use that. If you want to make it vegetarian, you can make it with potatoes, peas, or whatever vegetables you like. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it. And all the dry spices. So I have 1 tablespoon of crushed red chilies, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon of mango powder, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, and salt. And then at the end we'll add about 1 teaspoon of garam masala when the ground lamb is ready. Mix everything, and we are going to cook it for at least, cover it and cook it on medium to low flame medium flame for 10 minutes. Our stuffing is ready. Now we are going to add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and that's it. We mix it and it's all ready. Now make sure that there is no water, it's fully dried. To make this paste, you need 3 tablespoons of softened butter or ghee and 2 tablespoons of flour. Let's now cut the dough into equal sizes. So now we are going to make into a peda. Okay, so all the pedas are ready. We're going to take one and cover the rest so it doesn't get dry. Okay, so this is a good size. Now we are going to put some of this paste, about 1/2 teaspoon. Not too much, about 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, so I'm gonna remove the excess because it's too much. Okay, and now we are going to sprinkle with some flour. And put it aside. We are going to repeat the same process with all the pedas here. We are going to repeat the process, so about 1/2 teaspoon, and spread it all over. Okay. And we're going to put it on top of the other one. So just layer it like that. Okay, so this is our last one. So I didn't put anything on it, just a plain, and I'm going to cover with the other one. Now you see how many do we have? Look at all the layers. Okay, so now use some of the flour and just give a good rolling. Okay, so this is big enough. Now we are going to take the same paste and we're gonna put it all over. So about 1 tablespoon. All right, so we put the paste everywhere. Now sprinkle with some flour. Okay, so now we are going to roll it really tight. Okay, you can see it. Make sure no air. Okay, so all the way. So now we are going to cut into pieces again, equal size. Alright, okay, so we cut it into equal sizes. Now we are going to place it. Look at all the layers. We'll take 2 and we'll cover the rest so it doesn't get dry. So what we need to do is just press it gently with your hands. Okay, you see? All right. Do the same thing with the other one. All right, now we are going to take 1 tablespoon stuffing, or I'm gonna take a little bit more. All right. And I tried the stuffing, it's so tasty. So guys, make sure you try this recipe, this kachori. It's like a puff pastry. It's so flaky. You can fry it, you can bake it in the oven, or you can air fry it as well. And make sure to seal it properly, okay? Alright guys, I'm gonna show you one more. Okay. You can use a rolling pin if you want, or you can use your hands. Good size. Look at all the layers. Can't wait to eat these kachoris. Okay, so now you add the stuffing. You can add as much as you like. Don't be stingy when you're adding the stuffing. I added about 2 tablespoons on this one. And then just cover it and seal it properly. You can use a fork to seal it too. Just like that. And there you go. Look at all the kachoris. They're all done. Okay guys, since I'm baking these kachoris, I brushed it with a little bit of yogurt. If you decide to deep fry them, you don't need to. You can skip this part. All right, so I'm gonna bake them on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. All right guys, our baked super delicious kachoris are ready. I want to show you one. Look at that, how flaky it is. And very, very crunchy. Look at the crunch. Look at the crunch right here. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this recipe. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Ashley, see you next time. Bye.